Whoa, come on, I haven't even had my coffee yet. Yes, that's a more like it. Hey everybody, Michael here. I'm awake, alive, and yes, the coffee helps. But what helps even more is singing. It energizes, alerts, wakes up the body. It's like a day at the beach. Ocean breeze, salt air, vitamin D, baby. So does it matter how you sound? Good, bad, really bad, great? Heck no! I'm here to help you develop your voice. What really matters is that you sing every day. Because it's healthy for you. It releases tension. And life will be better when you do. You with me? Let's start. All right, so here's the technique and lesson I want you to learn today. I want you to choose a song that you sing well and comfortable. You're not going to sing the entire song. You are going to sing just the first line. That's right, just the first line. Because if you can't sing that well, what's the point of going on, right? So I'm going to choose Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. You know it? And what I'm going to do is repeat that first line without singing it 3 times. I like the way that your sparkling earrings lay. I like the way your sparkling earrings lay. See that sparkling? I got to get that a little smoother. I like the way your sparkling earrings lay. See? So with that smooth, then make sure you got the melody. Da, 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 da. Make sure you've got your melody before you add the lyrics. And then once you have that down, then add those lyrics down. I like the way your sparkling earrings lay. Okay, so you analyze that for a second. You notice the way I went, the way, I didn't go the way and tighten and add an E in that sound. No, I just added the way, you know. I like the way. So you get that A going through there. You're sparkling, you're sparkling. I'm not thinking Lynn. Again, I'm not tightening on the consonant. I'm thinking lit more. I like the way your sparkling earrings lay. See, so concentrate on opening up the vowel and less consonant and not tightening the throat as you rise in the melody. Good. So I want you to work on that week. I'm excited. We're going to have more lessons next week, but we can't do it unless you subscribe. So hit that subscribe button. Also, make a comment, a question. I'll be loving to have you back. Remember, keep singing because life is better when you do. Hi, Megan.
Hi.
Is life better when you sing?
Absolutely.